Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently got a Tracfone flip phone or simply forgot where the contact option is located, adding names and phone numbers might feel a little confusing at first. Unlike smartphones, flip phones often keep menus simple, but finding the right option can still take a moment if you are not used to the buttons or navigation style. Whether you want to save family numbers, important contacts, or everyday calls, learning where everything is stored can make using the phone much easier. The best part is that saving contacts on a track phone flip phone usually only takes a few quick button presses once you know where to look. Let's walk through an easy way to add contacts on a track phone flip phone. Try this. Step 1. Turn on the track phone flip phone and open the contacts or phone book menu from the main screen. Step 2. Select the option to add a new contact on the track phone flip phone menu. Step 3. Type the phone number into the track phone flip phone using the keypad carefully. Step 4. Enter the contact name on the track phone flip phone so the number becomes easier to recognize later. Step 5. Save the information on the track phone flip phone after checking that everything looks correct. Step 6. Open contacts on the track phone flip phone again and confirm the new name appears in the list.